There are many places to go ziplining in Southeast Asia, but the Gibbon Experience in Laos is one of the most exhilarating, with some of the tallest and longest zip lines in the world.
Very nice.
Ta-ta!
And you're not going to be staying alone in the treehouse. There's really no private rooms other than the bathroom, which of course is open air. Our group has travelers from Latvia, the United Kingdom, Germany, and America. And of course, this American was not alone. I found a fellow Chicagoan on this venture.
I'm here just to explore the world and have fun. Zipline, mostly zipline. We've been deep in the rainforest in Laos, and we're at the Gibbon Experience. We've been in the tallest treehouse in the world, and we've been ziplining around the jungle for the last 2 days. My drone fell from the tallest treehouse in the world. So I had the downward vision positioning system off, but the side sensors were still on, and I tried to take off from inside the treehouse. And it got very confused because there was wood and trees on both sides of it. So I tried to back up, I tried to move sideways, and all the controller commands were overridden, and it crashed into a tree. We have it on video, but it fell all the way to the bottom of the tree. And miraculously was intact and flying this next day. The great thing, I have a Mavic Pro, and the wings fold in, so it hit branches on the way down, and the wings absorbed some of the impact, and it luckily landed upside down, so the gimbal, it was fine. It was the luckiest thing ever.
Lives to fly another day.
Mm-hmm.
And where will the drone go next after this adventure?
Next we're gonna go to Thailand, the Philippines, and then Bali. So should get some more good nature shots.
The guides will zip in the morning to provide a hot breakfast, hot water for tea and coffee, and even hot chocolate. And that's how you rock the zip line. Up the platform here, and action. Oh man, this is like work. Oh yeah. Yeah, of course. It's a glamour movie.
We won.
They had no problems, I'm sure.
10 minutes.